Hi, it's Karen from Karen Therapies. When I'm working with clients, I like to explain to them a bit about their brain and how it works, so they get an understanding of what their brain is actually doing when they've got an issue. And the easiest way for me to explain that is to say that for them to imagine that their brain is like a computer. So if you do that now, if you imagine your brain is like a computer, so when you were born, when you buy your computer, it's exactly the same. So you've got the brain or you've got the computer, it's there, it's got all the functionality, but there's very little information within it. And then during the course of your life, or during the course of you using your computer, your database, your internal database builds up. And that will be anything from or how you learnt to walk and talk, how you were treated as a child, how you were spoken to as a child, all the different skills that you've learnt during your life up until this point is inside your own database. And that is what you operate from. Your brain, your whole perception of the world and the world around you, and if you can do things or if you can't do things, it's all from that perception of what's in your internal database. So I say to people, if you imagine you've got your own Google search engine, so when a thought or an impulse or whatever comes into your Google search engine, when it comes in, it goes straight into your subconscious part of your brain. And now in the subconscious part of your brain, it will decide what response it's going to give you. And it will work on programs that it's run for the whole of your life, because it feels that it's safe and it's the right thing to do, because it's done it all the time. You're still here, you're still alive, you're still functioning. So it must be the right response. And 99.9% of the time, it's giving you exactly the right response. But when people come to see me, it's either where they're running an old program that's just outdated and not needed anymore, maybe a program from childhood that was needed at the time isn't needed now, or sometimes it's just got a little bit stuck. And I just say it's like a virus in your computer. You've got a tiny virus in your brain, and all I need to do is, if you tell me how you want to be rather than how you're being now, I can help you to redirect your brain to go to a different route. So if it goes to a different route, you get a different outcome. It's very simple, and it is simple. It sounds more complicated than it is probably, but it's very, very easy to do once you know how you want to be and who you want to be. Anyway, I hope that's helped a little bit. If you like what I've said, please like it, or if you really like it, please share it with your friends. Until the next time, bye.